Hello and welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to discuss the topic measures of dispersion. In this topic, we will discuss coefficient of variation. It is denoted by CV. In the previous lecture, we have already learned the measures of different measures of dispersion like range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, variance, etc. In calculating variance and standard deviation, we obtain the variation among the data. But when if there are two groups and we have to compare the variation among them, then we calculate the coefficient of variation. For the comparison purpose, Carl Pearson suggested a measure known as coefficient of variation. It is abbreviated by CV. Now we shall see the definition of coefficient of variation. It is the ratio of standard deviation to the mean expressed in percentage is called the coefficient of variation. So, the coefficient of variation is defined as ratio of standard deviation SD to the mean, and it is expressed in percent. This is the formula for CV, standard deviation upon mean into 100. We know that standard deviation is denoted by sigma, mean is by x bar into 100. This is the formula for coefficient of variation. To compare the variability of different groups, we compare their coefficient of variations. A group for which coefficient of variation is smaller is said to be more consistent or more stable, and it has less variability. On the other hand, a group or data for which the coefficient of variation is larger or greater, it is said to be less consistent, and it has more variability. So by calculating the coefficient of variation, one can decide which group is more reliable or consistent and which group has the large variability group. In the previous lecture, we have discussed different measures of dispersion and the examples on the different measures of dispersion. If a student want to learn the examples and the various measures of dispersion, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and a link of that lecture is also mentioned in the description below. In this lecture, we discuss what is coefficient of variation, its definition, and the use of coefficient of variation. I hope student understand about the coefficient of variation. If student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends in order to learn the statistics in simple and more easy way. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic from the subject statistics. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.